are slammed as risk appetite returns, okay? The markets are really hungry for the riskier assets at the moment, and it really started at the commence of this week, actually, where we had seen European stocks rallying and then US stocks following suit as well. Why is this? Well, as we reported, there's been quite a decent or a recognizable, at least, slowdown in the number of cases and deaths in some of the European hotspots, okay, of where COVID-19 has been spreading. You know, the likes of Spain, Italy, France. So that has been encouraging for the markets, that there's somewhat signs of stabilization. Yes, it's still a little bit early to say whether this is actually going to be the slowdown, but still, markets are running with this. So, as I said, European stocks rally, US stocks rallied. Gold, we saw rallying, and from my opinion, again, this is very much subjective in my opinion and experience, and speaking to some of my contacts, you know, the reason why we see gold rallying as well when there's risk appetite, like in this case, is where obviously markets are so heavy back in the stocks, so we need a hedge. So we then buy gold as well as a hedge against all that risk running with the riskier assets like stocks. Dollar obviously coming under some pressure. Remember, dollar, if you look from the commence of this year, has been an upward trend. Any dips we've seen have been bought, and that in terms of fundamentally has been very much supported by the fears or the growing sort of spreading of COVID-19. That's very much supported dollar and those safe haven flows. However, with this recent sort of bit of a downturn in terms of cases, which is good in Europe, that is seeing the dollar come under some pressure. We've been testing that psychological 100 mark to the downside if we look at a Dixie. And yeah, that comes after, if you look in the body of this video or this blog, you'll see I noted there's an evening star formation, which then has been followed so far with a bearish candle on the daily at the moment. So that typically, as a textbook, when we see those evening stars indicating of a coming change in trend. Guys, look, we called some really good setups last night in the pre-Asia for the Freak Network members, anticipating this dollar weakness that's coming in as a bit of a delay to yesterday's risk-on sentiment. But guys, do not hesitate to check out our membership. Other than that, enjoy the rest of your trading week. Let's get it.